There is a 5-second window between "I should do this" and actually, never mind. Miss it, and you stay on the couch. Here is what happens in your head. You get an impulse. I should start now. And your brain, the world's most overprotective lawyer, immediately starts building the case against it. It is cold. You are tired. You can do it tomorrow. 5 seconds. That is roughly how long you have before the lawyer wins. So do not negotiate. Count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Move. That is the whole trick. The counting is not magic. It is a distraction. While your brain is busy counting backwards, the lawyer cannot talk. And 1 works like a starting gun. You physically move before the objections load. Stand up on 1. Open the laptop on 1. Put on 1 shoe on 1. But pair it with this. Make the first move stupidly small. Not go to the gym. Put on your shoes. Not write the report. Open the document and write your name. Your brain fears the mountain, not the pebble. Give it a pebble. Here is why this works so well. Motivation is not the cause of action. It is the result. You do not feel like starting and then start. You start, and 30 seconds in, you suddenly feel like continuing. Everyone has this backwards. Action first. Feelings follow, like a confused puppy. So the full move. Feel the impulse. Count down from 5. Do the pebble version. That is it. You have now outrun your own excuses, which honestly deserve some kind of medal. Try it once today. Anything you have been avoiding. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And if you are counting down to press subscribe, that works too. See you in the next scribble.